What's going on, guys? Yeah, I have the compact mowing setup today, and we have two Husqvarna 325 ILK battery trimmers, and this is the BLI 300. Also utilize the BLI 200. With the BLI 300, I can edge about 6 or 7 properties, and I can string trim about 4 to 5 properties individually, okay, not together, okay, so individually. So yeah, this is my string holder. Today I have the BR600. My kind of mixed fuel, and man, since I've been using batteries, the mixed fuels have been extended big time, man. I'll probably fill this up like every 3 weeks now. So I have the Milwaukee 21-inch battery push mower, just in case I have 1 or 2 that I do per week, and my trusty 48-inch S-Series Exmark Vantage with the micro mulching kit and the Mow and Go system. Again, guys, love the Mow and Go system, man. Fuel is used at a minimum. All right, so today we have, I just finished this property right here, which is a Centipede property. It's watered by nature, and we've been getting a lot of rain lately, so it's pretty nice, pretty nice. So here's the funny part, right? We have Centipede, and then, you know, you have crabgrass, blah blah blah, but then this yard directly beside hers is St. Augustine. So on this side, I try to mow it at 3.5 to 4, depending on what they cut, but right now they haven't cut it. No mowing, so I don't know. Right now I have it at 3.5, and over here I have this one at 2.75. She likes it at 3, but again, we're bringing it up little by little. So yeah, we're trying to get those. Hey guys, remember when I told you anytime I come out here and start mowing, then everybody else and their mama come out? There's a gentleman over there doing his mowing, so he's trying to do his thing. Hey, nothing wrong with it. So right now it's like 81 degrees and the humidity is freaking high. Man, it's gonna be a hot one, but that's what we expect anyway, right? I'm here to see a non-hot summer. Good. All right, guys, let's move on to the next one. I have two. As a matter of fact, I'll show you. This is what I'm talking about. Consolidating your properties. And let me try to turn this radio off real quick, because it tends to come on. And again, guys, these videos are like, you know, I just kind of pop up my, see, there you go. And I'm gonna show you how close it is, right? All right, so I just finished this one right here, and there's Pops right there doing his thing with his battery. Looking like me with his wild brim hat. And here we are. Let me park here. Okay, shut it off, and here we are. That's it. So I have this one and this one, and these I'm going to mow at, this one I'm going to mow at 3 inches, and this one as well, because they like theirs pretty nice. Now the back is crazy. The back I'm going to mow probably at 2 inches, because again, people, well, in my area anyway, they like their backyards more low because you know, the snakes and stuff like that. The one over here has a lot of cats, so she don't have no issues when it comes to snake. But it's not treated, so we're gonna mow it real low so it can look good, right? All right, let's get hot. All right, guys, so yes, now is the time to start your lawn care business. If you've been thinking about it, even part-time, guys, my suggestion is get a lawnmower, a push mower, the one that you have at home, right? Grab your blower and a string trimmer. I'm assuming that you have at least these three pieces of equipment, right? Get out there, put out your little cards, and I'll put a link to how you can do it real cheap and don't have to spend all that money putting out cards. I mean, buying postcards and all of that, guys. I keep telling you guys, you know, it worked for me, and I'm sure it'll work for you. Okay, so just try it out, and look on the top there. The video's on the top. But guys, now it's hot. It's so freaking hot that people don't want to go out there. Right now they're sucking up the AC and they don't want to get out there in the heat. You are so motivated that you're going to get out there early in the morning. Once you get the accounts, you're going to get out there early in the morning, mow a couple of yards. You don't have to worry about packing up your schedule, because that's the only issue that I find. Most people are so doggone worried about getting a whole bunch of customers. Start part-time. You know what I'm saying? Get you a couple of customers, put them on a schedule. When you get out there, guys, and you pick up a customer, let them know that you need to be coming every 14 days or every week, right? And most likely, because you're new and all that good stuff, you're going to be picking up those customers that want to get those 14 days. That's fine. You can just have to suck it up and drive on. Listen, we all been there. Nobody just got up one day and had this ton of customers and making all this paper, right? It doesn't work like that. Everything start from scratch. Just like, a video that I heard, guys, you can only, it's like a tree branch. Okay, your business is like a tree branch. It can only support a little bit of those leaves that are growing, right? You can't put a whole bunch of leaves on that tree branch, because guess what's going to happen? It's going to break. So take your time, guys. I know you watch a lot of YouTube videos and you see all these guys, including myself, living a life with all these lawns and stuff. Guys, this has been years and years of getting to this point. So nothing happened overnight. I had this guy send me a quick DM on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, guys, go to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram. But he was saying, hey, listen, I'm a teacher. I'm getting tired of doing the same thing. You think at my age, you can, I can go out there and do this. And I'm like, guy, I'm 56. Okay? Yes, I started a couple of years back, but you can do it, man. And the thing is, don't go out there expecting to have 10 customers per day. It doesn't work like that. You have to work yourself up. Now, the reason I'm saying that, guys, is because guess what? Now is the time to get out there. It's, like I said before, it's hot. People don't want to mow their lawns. It's raining. Well, in my area, and the grass have to be mowed. The best time to get out there, guys, is on a Saturday. Get out there on a Saturday, around 12 o'clock, and try to find your customers. Put out your flyers. If you have a customer, get out there on a Saturday, start mowing. People automatically look out the window. They see you mowing. Guess what they're going to do? They're going to try to, hey man, how much do you charge to mow my grass? You know what I mean? That's what you do, guys. Get out there on a Saturday. That's the best time to pick up customers, especially for you guys that are already doing this. You're saying that you can't pick up customers? Man, the weekend, get out there and you can pick up a lot of customers on the weekend. Saturdays, yeah. Sundays, nah, because everybody's at church, right? And during the weekdays, guys, don't forget, people are working. So I'm telling you, Saturday is the best time. Don't go too early, because again, people are sleeping late, right? Yeah. But guys, stay motivated, man. Now is the best time for you to get out there and start your business. Like I said before, it's hot. And when it's hot, people don't want to be out there. Okay? Now, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this video. Let me know if this information was helpful. Like, subscribe, and share my videos. Guys, if you are in the lawn care community, guys, put other tips that others can utilize to pick up customers and make some money. All right, guys, have a blessed one. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace. Here you go, guys. Beautiful centipede. 4 inches. I mean, 3 inches, my bad. Nice crispy edging, which we do all the time. Yeah, and believe it or not, these are 2 of my toughest properties to mow, because right up here the roots are pretty thick, and same thing with this one. So there's a lot of trimming around, a lot of bouncing, a lot of slowing down. But all right. All right, guys, have a blessed one. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. Peace.